Hi friend, today we'll write the program to print inverted half pyramid star pattern using Java programming. First we write the class name, then main method, then initialize the variable int row. Here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. Sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Enter the row. Next line of code define what number of row, how much number of row user is enter. Row is equal to sc dot next integer. Then use for loop for define the range of the row. Int I is equal to n number of row and greater than or equal to 1 minus minus in decrement order. Then again use for loop for define inner loop of the for j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to I, then print the star. In the same line we print a star, so we use ln is removed and print star. Then save the program and run the program. Number of row, let's 5, then that is the